KP's Kingdom Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my wholemeal linguine with a pea and cashew pesto and smoked chicken. Sounds like a mouthful. It is really quick and easy. Right, bring some water to the boil, add 2 cups of frozen peas, a little bit of salt, and let them boil off again, and we can strain those off, let them come back to room temperature, and we're going to put those straight into a food processor. Now that process of cooking is called blanching. Really simple. Right, so just put them in boiling water, let them come back up to the boil, and get all that water out. I'm going to put those into my food processor and give those a little bit of a blitz through and a little bit of a choppy. Okay, so now let's get ready for our next bit. Our cashews, around about 150 grams worth of salted cashews, believe it or not. Just use your meat mallet in a plastic bag, give those a little bit of a hit, smash, whatever you want to call it, whatever I'm doing on screen right there, and that's just going to help the food processing process happen. Alright, put those straight in on top of the peas, just like we've done there. And I'm going to add in some basil paste. You could use fresh basil if you want to. The basil paste tastes just as good, and it's a little bit more easy to incorporate into our pesto. A little bit of garlic, equivalent to around about 3 to 4 cloves worth. We want a nice little garlicky flavour to this particular dish, and a little bit of water. I'm using around about 40 ml worth of water there. Give that a bit of a blitz again, like that, and it's going to take a little bit of time for everything to get incorporated together, depending on your machine. Now here I've got some finely grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese. I'll leave that up to you, whether you want to use a cow's milk or sheep's milk cheese. It is entirely up to you. I'm going to put in around about that much. Count how many spoonfuls I put in. A little bit more water, that can go straight in, and we're going to blitz that up one more time and get everything all incorporated together. Now the salted cashews and that cheese is going to add enough salt to that pesto. Right, into a saucepan, I'm going to use the wok because you can see things a little bit better, and gives me a little bit more room. Good knob of butter, that would be around about 30 grams worth. Here I've got 200 grams worth of sliced smoked chicken. You can either do it yourself or you can buy it from your delicatessen and or deli, and it'll just work out just as good. Freshly ground black pepper to taste. I like my pepper in my sauces, in my pastas, so I go a fair bit. Now we can start adding in our pesto. As you can see, at the moment it is quite a thick product. You could add more water if you want to. I'm going to go a different route and make this even more rich again. Right, throw that straight in, and our pan is on a medium heat. A good glug of cream, just like that, and we're going to start mixing all of this through. Now what I do, I just keep mixing all that through, and as it sort of seems to dry out, I'll add a little bit more cream. I'm going to do this in fast forward in a second, just to show you what I actually do. So as you can see, the pesto is incorporating the cream. Now you just noticed I hit that cooktop again. That's because the wok hit one of the little buttons on the induction cooker and turned it down for me, and I did not mean it to do that. So once we end up with a really nice looking sauce like that, we can see a little bit of steam happening. What we can do is Mrs. KP is going to bring over her wholemeal linguine that we've just purchased from the supermarket. You don't have to make it yourself, although I might even try and do that one day. All we have to do now, add that linguine, use a pair of tongs, stir that through, and all we have to do now is serve that up. And look at the action Mrs. KP is doing there. She's putting it down and giving it a little bit of a twist, and that way it all sits nice and high in the center like that. How good does that look? A little bit more of cheese on top, just like that, and before you know it, you've got your own wholemeal linguine with a pea and cashew pesto and smoked chicken. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. It is really simple and tastes amazing, believe me. Thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. If you like this video, hit that like button. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy. It does for me as well. If you don't like this video, hit that like button because I said so. You're just a hater. Alright, hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. More importantly, you want to learn how to make a really quick, easy and healthy meal just like this one, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button. You'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my wholemeal linguine with pea and cashew pesto and smoked chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye.